We are building a better world for tomorrow, connected by the thread of health and well-being. Can the simplicity of nature meet the precision of science? We say it can. Witness a new era of healthcare at Zeroharmsciences. It's not rocket science. It's the evolution of plant-based supplements for lasting health, crafted with pure, clean, and sustainably sourced ingredients. Our supplements are grown from seeds to tablets. We believe the goodness of nature and the power of science unite for a world where health flourishes. Join us, pioneer a path to a healthier and more vibrant future at Zeroharm Sciences.